morning. Today is our Catalina trip. It is 6 o'clock right now. We have to make it to the ferry by 9 o'clock. I'm so tired, but it's gonna be a good day. For lunch today, we brought some banh mi's, and we're going to be bringing some granola bars as a snack. Yeah, that's what we're going to eat for lunch today on the road. We just got a Ventura. Now we're gonna go pick up our kayaks before we get on to the ferry. That takes us to the Catalina Islands. Look how beautiful it is, very bright. Yeah, but I guess we'll see you guys on the boat.
And you handle these, so they're kind of heavy. Actually, why don't you just take those? You got to hold them a little high, please. And you got 4 others of us, so we're all good. You're going to be put to work here, okay?
Oh, well, don't worry. I got extra hands.
All right, so if you would, you move that across. Get the back of the boat, please. And we're going to put it right on the ground. Okay? Okay. You guys grab that one on each end. You turn around, please.
You gotta grab it.
Wait, both of these?
Turn the other way, please. Okay, you're leading. Take a sharp right. To the right, to the right, to the right. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You got
Yeah, it'll go right over there and you'll get nice leverage. There you go. Just like that.
So I've just got off the boat. Just got to the island of Catalina, and this is what we're gonna do next. Get kayaks ready and kayak around the island. We're gonna kayak first and then go on a hike afterwards. But now we're gonna go change and get ready to go into kayaks. So.
Vitamin C, maybe? Fiber.
We just got back from our kayak experience. It was really fun. Just had a quick lunch and now we're about to go on a hike. We're currently hiking. The trail is called Cavern Trail, which leads to the end point at Potato Harbor. It's roughly about 5 miles round trip. But just look at this gorgeous view. concludes our hike. We're gonna head back and get back on the boat.
Guys, Andrew.
Huh? What? What do you mean? we made it back to the dock.
We'll be friends for like
We're gonna
10
take the ferry back to Ventura. Should be roughly around 1 hour, and hopefully it should be a smooth ride back. But I think once we get back, we're gonna try to grab dinner and enjoy the rest of our night in LA.